Good morning. It's morning over here where I am. Welcome to my YouTube channel once more. My name is Mercy Asim. So please, if you're new to my YouTube channel, please endeavor to click on the subscription button to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also endeavor to turn on the notification bell to get notified each time I post a video. I would also like you to like my video. If you find this video useful, please like it and share it to your friends, your contacts. Okay, today I want to do a brief video on oil cleansing. I want to use oil as a facial cleanser, and I want to show you how I go about it and the combination of oils that I'm going to be adding. This recipe is amazing. It's good. It can keep your face looking young. It's going to keep your face looking so succulent and really moisturized. It's simple from your kitchen, but it's amazing for people that have dry skin, for people that are aging, if you have wrinkles all over your face, this recipe is best for you. You don't need to use a cleanser that washes away all the beneficial oils on your face. You know, we have the sebum on our face naturally, so people use very harsh facial cleanser when they don't even consider their age, their skin type. For a dry skin person, a facial dry skin person, you don't need to use any harmful or any kind of harsh facial cleanser on your face, because it will wear out your face. It will wear out all the beneficial oils from your face, thereby making your facial skin to be more dry. And you know, when it dries, you can begin to have freckles and also wrinkles coming up on your face. So today I'm going to show you how to use oil as a cleanser. It will also cleanse your face deeply using just the oil. It will also penetrate into your pores and clean out dirt. These oils, I'm going to show you the combination of these oils, and they are easy to get. They're anywhere. You can get them online stores, you can get them in your supermarket. French will say supermarché. So you can get it around, and it's very simple, very cheap and easy, and to keep your face looking that fresh and yummy, and you know, not ripping off beneficial oils, the sebums from your face. All right guys, right about now I'm going to go ahead and wash my face, then I'll show you how I do the cleansing. All right, here we are. I just finished washing off my face with my facial soap. This is my face towel. Guys, you have to dedicate a towel to your face and make sure you wash it every 2 days or 3 days. Sometimes I'm lazy, I wash it in every 3 days to make it every day neat and clean, to avoid bacteria staying in this towel. If you can also have your towel, kitchen towel, the disposable kitchen towel, the tissue paper kitchen towel. You just use it so that you can use it once and then dispose it. If you can do that, better, but I am using this, and I make sure I wash it every 2 to 3 days to keep it neat. I use it just on my face. So here we go. I just finished washing off my face with my own soap. My mulatto papaya soap that is for face and body. So I'm going to show you now how I'm going to do the oil. Jojoba oil is non-comedogenic. It doesn't clog the pores, it moisturizes, helps in healing the skin, soothes the sunburns on skin, and also moisturizes the skin. It heals the skin. We also have our grapeseed oil. Grapeseed oil is a perfect moisturizer. It's also a non-comedogenic oil. It doesn't clog the pores. It helps to heal the skin and also help in circulating sebums on skin. It is very perfect that we add this. You can also read up the importance of this, benefits of these oils. That's lavender oil. Lavender is also a very good oil to add to this recipe. It's calming and healing. So we'll begin by adding some quantity of our grapeseed oil to our mixture. So I'll be adding, for our grapeseed oil, we'll be adding 2.5 ml of the oil. You see, 2.5 ml of it. But if you want to do a bigger quantity, then you would have to do half the quantity for the jojoba oil. So later we'll be doing a 5 ml of jojoba oil, which equals the amount of the grapeseed oil. So at about now we have 2.5 ml of our grapeseed oil. Guys, please note the measurements. The jojoba oil is twice the quantity of the grapeseed oil. That is the measurement to get everything properly done. So that's for the grapeseed oil. We'll be adding our jojoba oil, a 5 ml of our jojoba oil. So I'm just doing this video to show you guys how it is mixed, because if I just write out the recipes, you might end up just mixing the oils together. But if you fail to put them in accordingly, it might not ladder the way it's supposed to be, and probably the oil mixture might not really give you the outcome that you desire. So that's it. 5 ml of jojoba and 2.5 ml of your grapeseed oil. Then so for the mixture already, we're going to have a big drop of lavender oil because of the quantity of oils, the grapeseed and the jojoba that we have. So we're just dropping a drop of lavender oil, then we mix it thoroughly. You have to mix it thoroughly. If you're doing a large quantity, you really need to mix it, not using a stick blender or anything. Just stir the oils and mix them together, then allow it before applying on your face. So guys, we're doing that. The oil is as simple as that. Our wonder oil. So guys, this is the quantity that we've done right now, and this quantity is going to be enough for me right now. See how I'm applying it. In a circular motion. Apply it generously all over my face, everywhere. So a little quantity that you apply will do a lot. So here we go. After applying all this, I use this opportunity to massage the oil into my skin, pores, also helping the blood circulation to flow very well on my face. So you apply it very well. You use this finger to massage this area, all this area. Massage it for blood to flow properly. Can you see? You have the fine lines. So after applying this, I'm just going to sit for about 15 minutes, 10-15 minutes before I go wash it off with my soap, my facial soap. So guys, this is 10 minutes later. I have carefully scrubbed my face. Scrub it, massage my face carefully. This is about 10 minutes. I think I have a little nail, so I use it to sort of scratch my face to ensure there are no white or black heads around, or any rashes, any rough edges. Mostly this is my nose region. I do have white and black heads around here and this part of my face. So I do a little scrubbing with this. It's a DIY. The oil is calming. It doesn't hurt, doesn't feel anything, but it's really calming. So I'm just using it to massage my face thoroughly. It's a way of cleansing, you know. My face is really feeling so smooth. As you can see, it's a bit red because of my scratching. Like, I'm trying to make sure I get rid of every black and white heads on my face. I'll be massaging this in, even on my lips. It's quite moisturizing. Mostly this Ramadan period that is coming in Nigeria, you really need your face to look that succulent and bright, fresh. So this massaging will really help the fine lines. See how I'm doing it? For those of you that have fixed nails, you can just look for something soft to just help your face do this cleansing. And this recipe is for both male and female that have similar skin condition, dry and aging, wrinkled face. So it's about now. I'm going to go wash it off. Come back and show you. There you go. Just finished washing off my face. Clean it. I feel really refreshed. My face feels really smooth. Feels really smooth and clean. So we've come to the end of the video. If you like my video, please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Also turn on the notification bell to get notified each time I post my video. And also please don't also forget to share and like my video. Thank you very much for watching my video. God bless you. Until next time, and bye.